Pretty fancy, huh? What do you think?
Yeah, pretty nice.
Well, I'm vibe coding.
I'm CloudApper, nice to meet you.
Hey, I just built an application in minutes.
Wow, that's impressive. But did you review it? You know AI can hallucinate and cause serious security risks for the whole company.
No, I think you're overthinking it.
Will it scale for thousands of users?
It should.
It should?
Come on, you gotta have faith.
Okay, but who creates the database security and access policy?
The development team.
Then who deploys it to production?
DevOps.
What happens when the framework's APIs, operating systems, and dependencies change?
Oh, come on. You're such a naysayer.
So you didn't actually finish the application.
I wrote thousands of lines of code, and it looks like a finished product. Nice UI, and I can click around.
That's only the beginning.
Fine, so what do you do?
Haha, well, I'm a new kind of AI software development platform. I understand the business requirements and deliver a secure, production-ready application.
So, now tell me, who reviews the code?
That's the point. There isn't any new unmanaged code base for the customer to review. It's like magic.
Who handles the database and access controls?
Already governed through my application server.
Deployment?
Automatic. Any platform, any cloud, anytime, anywhere.
Ongoing maintenance?
Handled by the platform. No rewriting code, ever. Your generated code can become unusable. I will never go obsolete.
So, what does the customer do?
They simply log in and use the software.
That's cheating.
No. That's finishing the job.
Hold on, someone's calling me. You hear that?
Wait, I don't hear any.
Yeah! I'm coming! Sorry, gotta run.
Okay, bye. Take care.